Okay, so let's get back to the addition game. The addition game view, excuse me. Now we have a little bug here, but this is just a minor issue. I'm missing a period. Okay, so let's just add a little period right here. So high score view model dot is new high score. So that's good. And let's actually fold the VStack in the addition game view. So we have the game overview over here. Next, let's fold the ZStack. And after the ZStack, I want a full screen cover. I'm going to press Alt-Enter to get the on-dismiss option, but I want is presented. In is presented and on dismiss. So Alt-Enter. Now is presented, so let's use high score. View is presented. Now on dismiss, I would like us to reset. So game view model dot reset. So the thing is, see, what am I aiming for? If the game is over and it's not a new high score, then just display the game over. But if the game is over and the player created a new high score, right, they did really well, so I want them to be sent to the high score view. Or more precisely, I'd like them to enter the high score. So let's do this over here. So let's erase the content. And let's do text. Enter new high score. And finally, I want to listen to one of the variables. So on change of show high score, I'd like us to perform the following. So first of all, no, that was it. Let's just change this a little bit over here. So new value in. And now high score view is presented will be equal to the new value. Okay. Now let's go over the code, okay? Let's go over the code. So in order to display the full screen cover, we need a binding. Okay, we need a state variable. That's the high score view is presented. Okay. Now I would like to change the high score view is presented if the show high score is true. Now show high score, let's see what show high score is. Let's jump to definition. Show high score is a computed property, okay? So I cannot really directly use show high score for the full screen. Now this computed property might change. So I'm paying attention to the change. So on change of show high score, this new value of show high score, which may be true or false, I want to use that. So if show high score is true, then high score view is presented should also be true. And if show high score is false, in other words, new value is now false, then high score view is presented should be false. And then we will change, suppose high score view is presented becomes true, then the full screen cover should appear. And then we'll, enter a new high score. And we'll want to implement this at some point. So let's just play the game a little bit. I'm I'm playing the game. Hopefully I'll get a new high score. And now we have this this new view, right? This view which we haven't implemented yet. Enter new high score. And notice I cannot get out of this view. I'm stuck here. So this view is going to have to get a new score and then turn high score view is presented into false. Okay? So we'll implement enter new high score in the next video. So have an amazing day and see you next time.